Hello, this is Jeannie, and I'm here to make a video for a giveaway. But most important, it was a hashtag cornucopia of recipes. Make sure you spell it correctly, and everything is going to be written down in my description box. But I decided, even though I'm a little late, I'm going to still try to participate because a couple of the things that I'm interested in getting made, I'm thinking would be a good thing to have. One will either be a gift and one will be for my own crafting. So it said that you could work on any project you like and use something related to recipes or food from your stash, add a thankful themed word, quote, or scripture verse, and then post your videos on the Fridays in November, which they had the 11th, 18th, and the 25th. Now, obviously, I'm a little late. This is my video response for that I am going to participate, and I'm hoping to get the 11th up tonight as well. Anyway, you're supposed to post the videos and make sure you add that hashtag and spell it correctly, and you get points and stuff for, however you participate and what you comment on and all that. But like I said, all that will be in the description box below. And the winners will be announced on Friday, December 2nd on Sheree and Susan's YouTube channels. So anyway, I am planning on doing this. So I do not have exactly what I'm going to do. I am working on that right now. But one of the things was it was talking about work on any projects you like. So I am mainly a card maker and a scrapbooker. And so what I'd like to do is to make a scrapbook page that will go along with the Thanksgiving meal that I will be attending. My daughters-in-laws have us over for Thanksgiving every year. And they like to be able to include, their family as well. And it's just my husband and I and our oldest son, and then of course my daughter, my son-in-law, and their 3 kids. So they enjoy having us there, and we do like a potluck. So they have the main meal, the main ham or turkey. And then we all chip in and bring. I make cloverleaf rolls, and I'll be making dressing this year. So anyway, I thought I'd do a page about what I will add the pictures and stuff, obviously, after I take them next week. But in the meantime, I'll have to work on making that layout. So one of the other things I was thinking about doing, and actually I talked about the layout. This was the paper I was thinking about using. This is from a company called Friends and Crafto Clock. This one's Autumn Woods #1, and it is a double-sided paper, beautiful paper. I got this from Maddie and the Azar family at Spectrum Arts Creation, and I will also link their information below as well. They sold this paper and some gorgeous cut-aparts. And there are some food-related things on this paper as well. There's little mushrooms there. And I will have to look through here and see. Like I said, these are cutouts. These are not punch-outs. And these were made in Poland. This company is Polish, and Spectrum Art Creations does a lot of, they get a lot of products from overseas. So just a shout out to Maddie and her family. So I'm planning on doing a scrapbook page for the first day. And then I was thinking about some other things that I wanted to do, and I actually have a really sweet little book that is from Mary Anklebright, and it's called Recipe for Happiness. So I kind of went through that, and I I copied out, I got tongue-tied today, sorry. Was able to copy out some images that she has in her book, and have some quotes and a Bible verse even. And so I was thinking about somehow incorporating that into a cookbook that I do have, and it has been in my stash. I got this years and years and years ago. I actually have one upstairs that I already have got full, but I never decorated it. It stayed the way it was. It already has, the tabs for everything and pretty big pages to be able to write, a recipe. And I believe you can do it on both sides, yes. So I was thinking about using the Mary Inklebright to kind of decorate my pages in there and add a few of these recipes that I liked from her little cookbook. So that was my other thing I was thinking about doing. So I have some decisions to make, and if you all want to help me make that decision, you go right ahead. But anyway, like I said, scrapbook page probably will not take so much time because I've got to I'm going to have my places for my pictures, and then obviously I'll have to get my pictures, and then I'll be able to make this a complete layout. So that is it for me today. That's all I wanted to say. And thank you again for watching, and look for another video soon. Thank you.